Let's move on to the next question. So relative to a point O, the position vectors of A and B are given to you by this and this. Great. Part 1. Given that C is a point such that we have this and this, we have to find the unit vector in the direction of OC. So pretty easy. That will be what? Unit vector in direction of OC, that will be OC itself divided by its magnitude. Now we have to first find OC and then find its magnitude. So one by one, of course, we have to use the given information. So here we have AC. How would you find AC? AC is equal to, by definition, is OC minus OA. 2 times AB. Now what is AB? AB is simply OB. 3, 2 minus 4 minus OA. That will be 4, 1 minus 2. So now we can simplify one by one. So let me continue over here. Why not? So OC have to be, we'll send this over here, right? So first thing first, 3 minus 4 is minus 1 times 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 times 2 will be 2. Minus 4 minus 2 should be, so minus 4 plus 2 should be minus 2 times 2 will be minus 4 times this. Then plus OA is 4, 1, minus 2. Let's see what do we have. Minus 2 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 4 minus 2 should be minus 6. So here you go. The first part we know now. The value is 2, 3, minus 6. Divided by its magnitude, that will be 4 plus 9 plus 36. That will be a root of 49. Now we can simplify, obviously. That will be, so root of 49 is 7, so that will be 1 over 7 times the rest. That will be 2, 3 minus 6. That will be the unit vector in the direction of OC. That is part 1 of the question. Now for part 2, the position vector of D is given to you by this, where K is a constant, and then it is given that we have this equation where M and N are constants. So we have to find the values of M, N, and K. Okay, so one by one. So OD is 1, 4, K is equal to M times OA is given to you by 4, 1, minus 2 plus N OB is 3, 2 minus 4. So this question is not hard. It's just, as you can see, there's many steps. We have to proceed carefully. So we have to first expand these brackets. You will have 1, 4, K is equal to 4M plus 3M, M plus 2M, and then here we have minus 2M minus 4N. Now we just have to equate, right? So first equation we have is 4M plus 3N is equal to 1. Then we have M. That will be this. Now we can make this become subject, so M will be 4 minus 2N. Replace back in your equation, you have 4 times M, which is also 4 minus 2N plus 3N have to be 1. Solve one by one. 4 times 4 is 16 minus, that will be 8N plus 3N equal to 1. This will be minus 5, and that should be, of course, N here, and that should be minus 15. So N will be the value of 3. From here, M will be 4 minus 6, that should be minus 2. So finally, K have to be minus 2 times M, which is minus 2, minus 4 times 3, so that will be plus 4 minus 12, that should be minus 10. So values of M is minus 2, N is 3, and K will be minus 10. Now, so over here I did realize I made a very stupid mistake. So 4 minus 12 is what? That is not, definitely not minus 10, right? So 4 minus 12 is minus 8. So K will be minus 8, and that should be minus 8 as your answer over here. So that should be very clear, but again, always verify using your calculator so you don't make these kind of silly mistakes.